Urban Primary Health Center, Loomkyrwiang Jowai, kum shibenta, pan pensuk yaki paidbah, pan nyo jing sumar, jurim, ya ke jinglong jingman jongki khman, jongki hakani ke nyoterek urempang la pelong da ke program Special Outreach Health Camp, ha dorbar hall, ka dorbar snong, Loomkyrwiang. Hakani ke Special Outreach Health Camp lawan bani shimenta dagi khon jong kasnang bat kumju kibana bar kibalawan man shim yakani ke kabu banyo jing sumar ya ki khmat Lyngba ki tes bat kidawai kat kum ke jinglong jingman jong ki khmat jong ki Lyngba kani ke program Special Outreach Health Camp lawan bani don lang naduh Dr. W Suna Medical Officer UPHC Loomkyrwiang ringkat ki riew jong ka bansara eye care clinic jowai ki bla pendap ya ka free eye check up but ke jing eye dawai
rashes of the body, maybe on the trunk, maybe on the face, without going for any confirmation, without even checking, without going for any lab diagnosis. You just tell either the female will tell to your ashas to the ANMs to the doctor, or to me. I will share, my number is there with Dr. Suna and Kong Mandy. So you can contact them whenever such case comes. Whenever you see any child who has fever and is developing rashes on the body, you just tell us, because that could be a case of measles. And if we identify one child, there might be many more other children nearby which we haven't identified. And if we look actively, we might be able to save them, we might be able to protect them against this disease, right? Another very important disease which India has eliminated but our surveillance is going on is polio. So for polio, we do AFP surveillance. So what happens is if you see a person who has experienced sudden onset of weakness in the body, there is floppiness, weakness, like this part of the body which was completely fine. Now it has become absolutely floppy, like limbless. So you just ask them, since how long have you been experiencing this? If any neighbors see this, if you in the mass community see it, the Asha see, you have to report that case. It is not important that we have a lab diagnostic.
So em cam kenika seng kentai yong kan check kiat yong kan help check kiat. I hai ni I pek I khat san dong ada jantik I te bro no. I tok tip I te I tok seng kentai yong kan help tok tip I tok ni kan Loomkyrwiang pek khat san li gidong. Ma I khat san li gidong tok le yang siang chua. Yang siang chua bro ni ko snong area bro ni ga ko area. Jadi gini khasan dong kat one population pagi we ajar san spa khat up. We young 2024 ma 21,512. Apa tu thought that thought. This is just for your knowledge. Kau activity ma kita kind of help. Jadi he hai Loomkyrwiang kita ni film staff now. Imye is the top pagi khasan dong. Ndrai imye le bhai hai tai ap chong mang si service group. One thought do I give you just now? Ye say down and down and send Thai doctor check the kia about dog. And come you be up Ma, money rap you doctor Thai doctor.
Stress rock boy park kaniga uniton tetanus kaniga uniton tetanus common explain yung local language man to be convo pan and give a car con ayung asem dem kam gi kat ane kat an gitu giwa man infection gi instruments mo dia gitar kam dia orang dem kam gitu man kam kita man pra gi virus wa man gi tetanus no man kam gi bicara kes man kan ila da am de gi po India la po riew ila andre hab kusir hi kam gitu te da man hab prevent home deliveries kam da